So, how are you, my gorgeous viewers? Hope you all fine today. I'm here with another vlog of free online courses. I tell you about free online courses every week, and this is my vlog number 11, in which I will tell you about web development, application development, blogging type of courses. Also tell about Shopify type of courses as well. And go and enroll in these courses. These courses are free for just 2 days because of applying coupon codes. And so spread knowledge, share our video, and boost your skills. So this is our first course for today. This is basic communication and mindset course. This course for everyone who want to know how to communicate well, how to improve their communication skills, and you can learn this course just to improve your impression, voice basics, body language, speaking style, and it is 1.5 hours long course, and it has lifetime access because of applying coupon code. This is free for today, and this course has 100% off for 2 days, and after enrolling in this course you can get this course for lifetime because of applying coupon code. It has 100% off, but at the start you have to create the account of Udemy. After creating account you can get this free course because of applying. So this is our second course for today. This is 2 hour and 26-minute long course, and this course is for those students who want to know more about graphic design, who want to start business in graphic designing field, and who want to start a t-shirt brand. After enrolling this course you will learn more about the basics of graphic design, fashion designing, illustrator, and design your how to design t-shirts, learn the basic sites to buy wholesale clothing, and then after that to sell on different websites or on Shopify as well. And after enrolling in this course you will learn more about how to choose right shirts for your first batch, how to engage your buyers towards your brand, and this is a great course as well. Go and enroll. That's our third course for today. That's our third course, and this course is for those people who want to know more about drawing, and it is quite beginner course, but it is 5.5 hour long course. In this course is for those students who want to draw facial features, facial expressions, perspective drawing, shading. You will know more about shading principles, and this is a great course as well. The only requirement in this course is paper, pencil, sharpener, eraser, and that's it. And the motivation and desire to learn to draw and to engage your skill in this course. And a great course for art and craft students. This is our fourth course for today, and this is for blogging. Most of the people are telling me telling me that they want the course on blog and blogging. So this is a viable course for these students, and those professionals who want to know more about blogs. And if you enroll in this course, then I assure you will learn more how to engage the viewers on towards your blog, how to write the blog, how to prepare SEO to get your blog more traffic, and how your blog post will get your audience hungry for more engagement. And that's quite great course as well. And this is free for today. Go enroll. And this is our fifth course for today. This is for IT students and for network security students. And this is cybersecurity ethical hacking course. Okay, you know reasons to learn cybersecurity. You will know the definition and learn at least explanation of complete cybersecurity, types of hacking, white hacking. You know more about cybersecurity, Linux. And after enrolling in this course and after completing the 1.5 hour long course you can get certificate as well. Student will know basic concepts of cybersecurity and ethical hacking, and this is $29.99 course, but this is free because of applying coupon code. So this is our sixth course for today. This is Python course, and Python is very popular language nowadays for data science students, for graphical applications and web applications After enrolling this course, students will know more about application, how to build detailed application, graphic applications, web applications, and play store applications, and how to publish it on app store. And you will and students will know more about how to make apps like hangman game, tic tac toe, how to make dictionary. And this is a project based course, GUI programming and screen pad smart, how to make smart calculator app. Quite viable course for students of IT and Python student. And this is for businessmen and for those people who want to develop their business through Facebook ads. After enrolling in this course and after known, you will know more skills how to boost your career in business and how to market your business on Facebook through posting ads. You'll know more about how to boost your local business. You will grow your audience through Facebook reach, ads. You can also set up your Facebook ad agency. And this course will give you all the information you need to become a junior Facebook ad consultant. And you can also start freelancing as well after learning some tricks of Facebook ads. This is our last course for today. This is for those people who want to start their e-commerce business. You will learn more how to start Shopify store, how to do SEO, how to start from scratch. You will know about niche of e-commerce business, some tips and tricks to start this business. And the only requirement is to put an effort, and you need to be on computer and internet to start your online business, and little bit investment. And after that, it's quite easy after learning this course. So thank you for today, and share our video with your friends and family members so that most people will get these type of free courses. And share the knowledge please kindly. So thank you for today.